Good morning, children. We proceed on to trigonometric equations. Generally, when I say 2x equals 4, my answer x is equal to 2. Suppose 2x plus 3y equals 8. X value 1, y value 2. But if I say 2x plus 3y equal to 8, is that the only answer? No. I can put some other value also. If I put y is 3, what is x you find out? 8 minus 9 by 2. I will get minus 1 by 2. Like this. As I keep on changing y, x value will differ. Here x has only one answer. But here x and y has set of answers. They are infinite, I will say. Trigonometry also, whatever be the equation, say sin theta is half. What is theta if I ask you? Theta, for the first time, it is pi by 6. If I keep on moving, when I am here, where it is 180 minus pi by 6, now also the same half only will come. I keep on moving. When I have 360 plus pi by 6, or I say 30 degrees. 360 plus 30 also, I have same half only. I go for one more round, two more rounds, three more rounds every time. Whenever I am in first quadrant and second quadrant, the value half will come again and again. So we call circular functions. The value will come again and again. The very first value 30 degrees I call principal value. Shortly we denote PV. The remaining values I can generalize and give a general solution. As I keep on rounding, as I keep on changing n, I get the various solutions. Let us see. Whenever sin theta is sin alpha, where alpha here half, I am able to write sin pi by 6. Whenever I get in this way, the minimum value, that which comes in first quadrant, I call principal value. If theta is positive, sin theta positive, alpha is positive. If sin theta negative, alpha is also negative. So that is called principal value, and the general solution is theta equals n pi plus minus 1 power n alpha. If it is cos, theta is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Why? In cos, I am positive in first and fourth quadrant. First quadrant is 1 round plus alpha. Fourth quadrant is 1 round minus alpha. So either I am here or I am here. If I am in first quadrant, 2 pi plus alpha. If I am in fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus alpha. In all these cases, how many rounds we go, we do not know. So, one round tells me 2 pi. Another round tells me 2 into 2 pi. Another round 3 into 2 pi. So, in general, I call 2n pi. N is an integer. If tan theta equal to tan alpha, tan is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. First quadrant it is alpha. Third quadrant it is pi plus alpha. So the answer is how many rounds we go. One round it is simply alpha. One full round I complete, it is pi plus alpha. Another round 2 pi plus alpha. 3 pi plus alpha. So like this, it is becoming n pi plus alpha. Let us remember the important formula for general solution. So in trigonometry, we call them as circular functions. They reach the same place again and again. My answer is not unique. I get same half again and again. So, how to generalize my answer? N pi plus minus 1 power n alpha if it is sine. 2n pi plus or minus alpha if it is cos. N pi plus alpha if it is tan. Let us see certain examples to have a better understanding. Sin theta positive, sin theta negative. Cos theta positive, cos theta negative. Tan theta positive, tan theta negative. How are we going to write principal value? When sin theta gives us half, sin theta is half when it is pi by 6. Notice in these equations we do not use degrees. We use only radians. Sin theta half when do we get? When it is pi by 6. So principal value I call alpha, that is pi by 6. When it is negative, alpha will be minus pi by 6. Same idea, tan theta 1. Tan 1 comes for pi by 4. So principal value pi by 4. When it is negative, I will write minus pi by 4. We have the 4 quadrants. If I go here, it is first quadrant where all the ratios are positive. If I go in this way, it is fourth quadrant. So anti-clockwise is plus theta, clockwise is minus theta. So sin and tan positive here, but they are negative here. So when the answer is positive, angle is positive. When the answer is negative, angle is also negative. Is it possible for cos? No. Cos is positive in fourth quadrant, but cos is negative in second quadrant where I will say the answer pi minus theta. So, cos theta half tells me in cos I refer to half, the angle is pi by 3. So, principal value pi by 3. When cos theta is negative, do not write minus pi by 3. Instead, write pi minus pi by 3. Simplifying, it is 2 pi by 3. So, the basic idea, or you can even think of as formula. Sin theta positive, angle positive. Sin theta negative, angle negative. Tan theta positive, angle positive. Tan theta negative, angle negative. But cos theta positive, angle positive, and cos theta negative, angle will be pi minus that pi by 3. Simplify and write it. Now how to write the general solution? Sin, we use this formula. Theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n pi by 6. In the place of alpha, substitute this. Here I will write theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n minus pi by 6. Same idea here. Theta equals 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Here also theta equals 2n pi minus r plus pi by 3. When tan theta is 1, the general solution n pi plus alpha. Alpha is pi by 4. If I come here, n pi minus pi by 4. In all the cases, let us remember n is an integer. I put n1, I get an answer. n minus 1, another answer. n is 2, another answer. So I can keep on putting n as 1, 2, 3, 4, either positive or negative. As I keep on changing n, I will get a variety of answers. So we say trigonometry functions are circular and my solution is infinite. Exercise 3.8, question number 1. Find the principal solution and general solution. Sin theta equals minus 1 by root 2. Let us check from our table. Sin 1 by root 2, the angle is pi by 4. But negative tells me minus pi by 4. General solution, the formula is n pi plus minus 1 power n alpha. Here theta comes, let us write theta. N pi plus minus 1 power n alpha is minus pi by 4. Say n belongs to z. When cot theta is root 3. With cot we didn't learn formula. So let us remember, let us reciprocate. Tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Check in the table. 1 by root 3 for tan. The angle is pi by 6. So we will say principal value alpha is pi by 6. Tan positive, angle also positive. What is the general solution formula? It is theta equals n pi plus alpha, n belongs to z. Here I have theta, n pi plus alpha is pi by 6 where n belongs to z. Third subsection, tan theta minus 1 by root 3. When tan is negative, principal solution also negative. 1 by root 3 comes under pi by 6. Tan 1 by root 3 under pi by 6. So what is the angle? Pi by 6. So principal solution is minus pi by 6. General solution, substitute in the formula n pi plus alpha. Alpha is minus pi by 6 where n belongs to z, and that is the answer. Question number 2, subsection 1. When theta is between 0 and 360 degrees, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. Solve. Sin power 4x equals sin square x. Bringing all to the same side. Sin square minus sin power 4x 0. Taking sin square x common, 1 minus sin square x 0. Or sin square x into cos square x 0. Or the two ideas, sin square x 0 or cos square x 0. Sin square 0 tells me sin x 0. Here I get cos x 0. When sin is 0, we remember the formula, any multiple of pi. So we will get x is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. When cos is 0, cos odd multiple of pi by 2, 0. Cos odd multiple of pi by 2. Or we write the formula 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to z. Theta equal to n pi or 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n is an integer. Can I stop the answer with this? No. They have given theta is between 0 degrees and 360. 360 I can call 2 pi. So give the values which are from 0 to 2 pi and not equal to 2 pi, only less than 2 pi given. So put n 0, 0 into pi 0. Put n is 1, 1 into pi, pi. Can I put n is 2? 2 pi equal symbol is not there. Only less is given. So 0 pi are the answers. In this case, put n 0, 0 plus 1, I get pi by 2. Put n is 1, 2 plus 1, I get 3 pi by 2. Put n is 2, 4 plus 1. Can I put 5 pi by 2? No. My answer is only up to 2 pi. So only this is my answer. Combine both and write. Theta is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and that completes the answer. Second subdivision. Theta is between 0 and 360. Solve 2 cos square x plus 1 equals minus 3 cos x. 2 cos square x, bring minus 3 cos x here, plus 3 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. Solving for cos x equals to minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. Let us remember the formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. A is 2, b is 3, c is 1. Simplifying, minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 square root is 1 by 4. I get minus 3 plus 1 by 4 or minus 3 minus 1 by 4. Cos x equals to minus 2 by 4 or cos x equal to minus 4 by 4. Cos x is minus 1 by 2 or cos x is minus 1. Let us remember the table value. Cos x half. We recall cos half is pi by 3. But whenever negative symbol comes, what is the formula? Pi minus pi by 3 cross multiplying 2 pi by 3. When cos is negative, I will say cos odd pi. So x is equal to odd pi. Or I can say 2n plus 1 pi. But my question is, theta is between 0 and 360. That is, theta is in between 0 and 2 pi. What are the values which are below 2 pi? Substitute. X, we will say, whenever it is cos, 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Cos theta, when it is pi, I will simply say odd pi. Put n 0. When I put n 0, I get x is equal to 2 pi by 3. When I put x is 1, 2 pi minus 2 pi by 3. Check what you get. 6 pi minus 2 pi, 4 pi by 3. When x is 3, I get 9 pi minus 2 pi, which is more than. So, we want only up to 2 pi. So, 2 answers we have done. The next answer, x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi. Putting x 0, 0 plus 1, pi is 1 answer. Putting x is 1, 2 plus 1, 3 pi. 3 pi is not belonging to the interval. The interval is only from 0 to 2 pi. So what are my answers? These three answers. 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 and pi. Subsection 3. Again we try to bring all the terms to the same side. 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x plus 1 equals to 0. This is A, B, C. Solving for x. We usually have the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here the question is about sin x. So sin x, this is the formula. Sin x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4, a value 2, c value 1 divided by 2 into 2. Simplifying this answer, 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8, 1. 1 square root is 1 divided by 4. Either I get 3 plus 1 by 4 or I get 3 minus 1 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. 2 by 4 I have the other answer. 1 or 1 by 2. Let me write. Sin x equal to 1. Principal value we say alpha. Pi by 2. Sin 90 only we have 1. Now what is the general solution? N pi plus minus 1 power n alpha. What is alpha? Pi by 2. Now we get, put n is equal to 0. What is my answer? 0. This is 1 pi by 2. Put n is equal to 1. Pi minus pi by 2. Again I get pi by 2 only. Put n is equal to 2. 2 pi plus pi by 2. This does not belong to the interval 0 to 360. My question is only up to 360. So do not include this. Only this value inclusive. Now I proceed on to the second answer. Sin x equal to 1 by 2. Principal value. When sin x is 1 by 2, let us recall from the table. Sin 1 by 2 is pi by 6 angle. So, principal value pi by 6. What is the general solution formula? N pi plus minus 1 power n principal value, where n belongs to z. When n is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 0 plus minus 1 power 0 pi by 6, or it is simply pi by 6. When n is equal to 1, it is x is equal to pi, 1 pi plus minus 1 power 1 pi by 6, pi minus pi by 6, 6 pi minus 5, 5 pi by 6. When n is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 pi plus minus 1 power 2 pi by 6. 2 pi plus pi by 6 does not belong to the interval 0 to 360. Therefore, my answer is pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. Along with this, x is equal to pi by 2, pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 is the answer for this problem. Fourth subsection, cos 2x equals 1 minus 3 sin x. To arrive at an answer, let me remember what is cos 2x. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Substituting here, 1 minus 2 sin square x equals 1 minus 3 sin x. We can bring everything to the same side. 1 minus 2 sin square x minus 1 plus 3 sin x equals to 0. 1 and 1 cancels. In these two, minus sin x is common. If I take it out, 2 sin x, from plus I took minus, so it is minus, sin x is taken, I am left with 3, that is equal to 0. This divides into two parts. Either sin x is 0 or 2 sin x minus 3 is 0. Remember, sin x 0 tells me x is any pi, where n is an integer. But the question is from 0 degrees to 360. Therefore, I can put x is equal to 0 pi or 1 pi. Can I put 2 pi? No, because I want less than 360. So 2 pi is not inclusive. My answer is 0 and pi. Coming back to the second option, 2 sin x equal to 3. Sin x equal to 3 by 2. Is it valid? No. Remember, sin x should not cross 1. In all the sin values, when I refer to the table, 0 to plus 1. If I put negative angle or clockwise, it will be minus 1 to 0. Sin x curve goes up and down like this, where the values range from minus 1 to plus 1. So we know sin x is only between minus 1 to plus 1. Therefore, 3 by 2 is 1.5, which is more than 1. It is not valid. It's a simple problem to just recollect the formula that sin x is between minus 1 and plus 1. As we factorize, I get two options. Second option not valid. So first option, my answers are 0 pi.